Hello everyone. Let me introduce the latest developed vibration welder by our company, Weituo VW200IR Servo infrared vibration friction welder. This welder is driven by servo motor, Siemens control system, professional welding of auto small parts, such as small taillights, handles, etc. The principle of welding is that the first step is to raise the lower mold, match with the upper mold, and correct the upper and lower molds. After the calibration is completed, the lower mold descends and returns to its original position. At this time, the infrared heating module is running. The lower mold rises accordingly, and the infrared module heats the upper mold and the lower mold. After the heating is completed, the lower mold descends and the infrared heating module exits. Then, the lower mold rises, the upper mold and the lower mold start the vibration welding work. After the system preset vibration welding program is completed, the lower mold starts to withdraw, and when the lower mold completely returns to its original position, the safety door falls completely. The welding process is complete, and the welded workpiece can be safely removed at this time.